हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 47 व्हेन एंड नॉट इन बुक हाई स्कूल ग्रामर जो है उससे, और टॉपिक है मूड्स एंड टेंसेस। यहाँ दिया हुआ है चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन इन ब्रैकेट्स। द हेडमास्टर डैश टू स्पीक टू यू। द हेडमास्टर wants to speak to you. I dash a new bicycle last week. I bought a new bicycle last week. Here are your shoes. I dash them. I have just cleaned them. It dashed since early morning. It has been raining since early morning. I dash a lot of work today. I have done, or I have did a lot of, I did a lot of work today. So both are correct and even you can write. I dash something burning. I smell something burning. Look, the sun dash over the hills. Look, the sun is rising over the hills. She dash unconscious since 4 o'clock. She has been unconscious since 4 o'clock. He used to visit us every week, but he dash now. He used to visit us every week, but he rarely comes now. We dash for his call since 4:20. We have been waiting for his call since 4:20. Every day. Last week, my aunt dashed a plate. Every day last week, my aunt broke a plate. I know all about that film because I dash it twice. I know all about the film because I have seen it twice. Our guests dash. They are sitting in the garden. Our guests have arrived. They are sitting in the garden. I dash him since we met a year ago. I haven't seen him since we met a year ago. We dashed our breakfast half an hour ago. We finished our breakfast half an hour ago. She jumped off the bus while it dashed. She jumped off the bus while it was moving. When we went to the cinema, the film had already started. I dashed for half an hour when it suddenly started to rain. I had been walking. Did you think you dashed me somewhere before? Did you think you have seen me? You had seen me somewhere before. The town dashed its appearance completely since 1980. The town has changed appearance completely since 1980. Sheila dash her case. Look, Sheila has packed her case. Look, when I was in Sri Lanka, I dash Nigombo, Beruela and Nilaveli. When I was in Sri Lanka, I visited Nigombo, Beruela and Nilaveli. I meant to repair the radio, but dash time to do it today. I meant to repair the radio, but haven't had time to do it today. When I dashed my dinner, I went to bed. When I had my dinner, I went to bed. Men dash to abolish wars up to now, but maybe they will find a way in the future. Men have never managed to abolish wars up to now, but maybe they will find a way in future. This is your exercise. Let's meet in exercise 48. Subscribe ASA Education.